Hey babes, welcome to part 2 of the moving vlog. If you're new here, I'm Valerie. I make fashion, lifestyle, and natural hair content. And your girl is moving. My family and I are moving into a bigger apartment because it's time for my son to have his own room. And this is episode 2 where we'll be moving majority of the rest of our stuff into the other apartment tonight. Just got off of work, about to get to it. So tomorrow, August 1st, is the last day we're supposed to be in our older apartment, and the movers are coming tomorrow morning at 8:30. So the only thing that should be in the old apartment, is literally the big stuff that we are not able to move. So tonight we are going to move everything else, and yeah, I'm gonna vlog it. So let's get to it. Let's get in this house. Okay, y'all, I'm looking around, and then we got a lot of stuff. Not a lot, but a lot of stuff we still gotta pack. So I gotta pack up the kitchen. Let me show y'all what I gotta pack. All the stuff I gotta pack for now. We still gotta do that. We had to get some newspaper. We got some newspaper. Thank goodness baby dad found some newspaper for the glasses. Still got food. Forgot about that, but that ain't much. Still gotta get that out. Probably might do that tomorrow, to be honest. So I can go right into the other apartment, because I did get the RG&E turned on, the electricity and stuff turned on, and it's on today. So you know what, might as well get it out the way, so I don't gotta do nothing tomorrow but clean up. So might as well get all that out the way. We got stuff in the freezer and in the refrigerator. What else? Oh, we got the drawers. Still got stuff in the drawers, so we gotta get like our little bit of miscellaneous stuff. We got our outfits out. Well, I got my outfits out that I'm wearing tomorrow and tonight for bed. Still have to take this over, and then all the stuff in these drawers. My little drawer. Still gotta take that over. We gotta do laundry. We'll do that over the weekend. We still got the baby drawer. I was thinking to just take that whole thing, put it in the back seat instead of taking all the clothes out, but it looks like he's about to take all the clothes out. More power to him. But let's start getting the dishes out, the glasses and stuff, and putting them in this box right here. I'm gonna prop y'all up so y'all can see.
Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South Detroit came bossing in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly,
I have to keep these.
so fast to hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but play too much, don't play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you feel different when you with me, tell me anything. Compliment my energy, it's different laying next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the dumping. You know I can't get no fucks. You know with all the rug is heavy. Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy west side of Compton came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Ooh, he bossy, ooh, he quit walking to me, just lost, and then he slapped me on the way that I got no problem. He get too back and he got all that action, go and Mr. Handle it. You know I'm hella different from them chickens you've been tricking on. Can be a ride or die. Get done, get strong, get bold. Look me, boy, I'm good in every hood. Trick it, fender, rolling backwards. Flip the shot and show you what it would be like if you my man. Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South of somewhere came walking in. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. is lacking, call me up. I'm a baby packing while I'm stuck. That's why he my man. Young and he fine and he tall and he handsome. Talking so fine, I might hold him for ransom. Put it in drive, I'm not shy, I'm a legend. Cause all night, going one way fast.
Okay, I believe we packed up everything we will not be needing for the night. So, closet is empty. Empty. Oh, of course, we gotta keep them. Our toothbrushes, toothpaste. Empty. Those empty, but our rags. I think I definitely told him don't take my beauty box, but it's okay. Drawer is empty. We are going to get rid of this. We are actually getting rid of a lot of things, but we are getting rid of this. This is baby dad's like first drawer, and we had it for years. We're gonna keep this for as long as I can until I find a gray one, because I don't want this anymore. But this closet is cleaned out except the shirt that I'll be using tomorrow. And what else? The kitchen is pretty much empty. I got some cleaning stuff to clean tomorrow. Oh, what about... I'm gonna take that tonight. Forgot about that. But all the cabinets... Oh, I forgot about that. Okay, gotta get that out of there. Gone. Gone. We got our seasonings still in here for the night, but those will be gone. Packed up as soon as we done with them. Our little utensils. These are going in the garbage, except these, the babies, and maybe the knives. We're gonna keep the knives and my straws, but these got to go. I had these since my first apartment, y'all, when I was like 19 or something. But yeah, we're gonna have some tacos tonight. Our 2 little plates for tonight. The baby can eat off one of our plates, because I don't know. He don't have one. But yeah, about to take everything over to the new place. What are you doing?
I just climbed this.
What is that? Give me. How did you even see this? How did this child even see this on white? At the height he is. That was on the 3rd, 4th one. Kids. But we're about to head on over, drop this stuff off, come back, and we're done. Till tomorrow. Okay, baby, so we moved the majority of the stuff over to the new place. So excited. We got our electricity on. So we are almost ready. We just got to figure out how we want to decorate. The movers come tomorrow, and I just still don't know how I want this bedroom to go, because the window is right here and the closet is over here. We don't know where we want to put the TV, because I feel like this bedroom is a little bit smaller than our last one, but it's longer maybe. We need to figure out where we want the TV. Maybe kitty corner of the TV. I don't know. But we got a lot of decision making to do before the movers come. I want to clean this bathroom really good. The kitchen really good. The baby is so excited about his room. Got him a TV thanks to his grandma. We got so much stuff there for all his toys. We got to put together his toy box thingy. So freaking cute. We got our lights on, you want some. We are ready to go, honey. Don't drink that. Whew, got the AC going because it is hot in here. But yes, y'all, we are almost finished. I'm excited. This will be my closet, y'all. This gonna be, the den will be my closet. So I cannot wait to decorate it. Ooh, I got so many ideas. Wow. Vanity and the bookshelves from Target. Yes, I can't wait. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna put everything together because I ain't doing nothing tonight. Not after that long day I done had. Here we go. The kitchen. Look cute. Yep. We bought mad new stuff. We gotta throw away so much stuff at the other place because we're just not bringing it. So can't wait to decorate everything. So yes, stay tuned. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn the notification bell so you don't miss a beat. And tomorrow is moving day. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay, babes. It is the next day. We basically just got all the moving stuff out the way. Everything is in our new place. It's so freaking cute, y'all. I cannot wait to show y'all everything. Right now we're gonna go to the other apartment, start cleaning that up. Y'all, it's only 10 o'clock. We was on a roll. 10 o'clock in the morning. We're pretty much done. Just gotta clean up the bathroom and the kitchen at the new place before I put anything away. Then we get to the finish doing that at the old place and clean up at the old place. Get over here, and y'all, it's only 10 o'clock. I'm so proud of us. But yeah, I'm loving how everything is looking. The movers did amazing. Like, yeah. So let's go clean, and we'll be back. All right, babes, we are back. We did mad stuff. We had to go wash clothes. I think that's pretty much all we did. I think. I can't remember. But we back. I am about to wipe down this kitchen real quick before I put anything in it because we're going to do our grocery shopping as well. We're going to drop the baby off to go grocery shopping. We're going to clean up, wipe everything down. I might do the self-cleaning oven thing. Make sure that is clean. And then we're going to go to the grocery store. I'm also going to put this stuff away because it is driving me crazy. Everything needs to be back where it's supposed to be. So let's get to it.
Right. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they pre-knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to.
Hey babes, okay, I know I look a mess. So we in the car right now. We are dropping the baby off, who is knocked out. We're dropping him off real quick. Then we're gonna head to Walmart to go grocery shopping. And while we're actually grocery shopping, baby dad's friend, our old co-worker, is putting together some stuff for us, like our entertainment center, or is it something like that? A little shelf that's gonna go in the living room, and then the baby dresser and our dresser. We left him at the house. We trust him, y'all. We left him at the house to do that because he didn't want to get distracted by us. We couldn't talk to him or whatever. So while he doing that, we're gonna run our little errands, come back to the house. I still gotta clean up a little bit in the kitchen and still gotta clean the bathroom. Gonna put the groceries away, and then I think I'm gonna end it there. And then in the next video, we'll decorate, I guess. So yeah, Let's go to Walmart. Oh my god, y'all. We finally back from grocery shopping. It's 9:15 at night. We gotta put the groceries up. I still gotta clean up first a little bit more before I even put the groceries up. But yo, we're gonna be up for a long time. We ain't put nothing away. Nothing. So I'm gonna do a montage of me getting this apartment together. Let's start now. Y'all, we made it through. It is time to go to bed. I'm about to take my shower finally. And I will see y'all in the morning for more putting things together, putting things away, mainly our clothes, baby clothes. And then we still gotta put that up. Yeah, and then I still gotta put the stuff away in the dinner. So we got a lot more to do tomorrow, y'all. For now, good night.